favorite topic, ambient light resisting screen materials. In an ideal setup, you control your ambient light, you have a perfect projector, and you have the most ideal screen surfaces. On your left you see HD progressive, which is fantastic. That's the biggest viewing angle, up to 16K readiness and resolution and true color fidelity. But what if you cannot control every aspect in your setup? What if your ambient light is too much and you cannot dim that? Da-Lite and Projecta have a big broad portfolio to compensate for all these circumstances that are not ideal. When the ambient light gets too much, you still want a good, solid and perfect image with a lot of contrast. On your right, you see Parallax Pure. Parallax Pure blocks the ambient light up to 96% and still keeps that contrast. That's why we have this big portfolio. That's why we have Parallax Pure for these ambient light situations.